Triumph Speed Triple RR, which was introduced in 2022, takes the basis of the RS and builds it into what Triumph calls the ultimate road sport bike. The RR already follows a modern cafe racer theme look, with a neat, contemporary bikini half-cockpit fairing, low-placed clip-on handlebars, together with repositioned foot pegs, but also features a modern semi-active Alene suspension, traction control, and ABS, as well as several riding mods including a track mod. So how could the new Speed Triple RR look as a proper track day bike, but with an even more vintage cafe racer look? Something like this. Here are some design ideas for our Speed Triple RR track day concept. Starting with the base bike, we first remove the rear fender, as well as the license plate holder, and rear and front turn signals. Next, we also remove the attached mirrors, and add a carbon cover over the front headlight. The original seat gets replaced with a custom-made single-seater racing seat. For a more aggressive look, we will black out the footrest brackets, the lower fork feet, and the inside of the front brake caliper discs, as well as the lower engine covers. We also remove the front side reflectors on the fork. In the next step, we add some small MotoGP-style winglets to the original cockpit fairing. To match the rest of the bike, we also black out the original lower belly pan. One of the biggest modifications in the design concept are the wheels and tires. We replaced the original wheels with a pair of spoked Kinia wheels, including Michelin racing tires. In the next step, we replace the original exhaust system muffler with a track day version, and also remove the rear passenger footrests. Finally, not really needed for a track day bike, we add integrated front turn signals to the front handlebars. Now, let's look how the bike would look like in different colors. First, let's switch some of the black elements to blue. Next, let's switch it to the red design, one of the current color choices the original bike is available in. Now, let's see how a shorter version of the racing seat would look like. To try a more vintage-looking racing seat, let's go back to the original white color design. And now let's see how a total black bike would look like with the vintage-looking racing seat. Finally, let's check out how the bike would look like as a naked bike similar to the Speed Triple RS. This concludes our today's design ideas on how a Speed Triple RR could look like as a vintage-style modern track day bike. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified for future videos. And thanks again for watching.